Now for today's project, I will be recycling some of my own art. This substrate was created on an old wall clock. I decorated it with computer parts, a few movable toys, and a few other mechanical bits. Now it used to have a cat mask as a focal point, but I removed it to be used somewhere else, and I want to give this a new centerpiece. Now, if you are curious to know how I put this background together and what this project used to look like, then please follow the link below in my description box. So I start here with simple components, and like always, my process will be very self-explanatory. So anything you need to know will be in the captions. Now this will be my last video for this year, so please watch all the way to the end. There will be a little holiday greeting added after the photos. Enjoy the process, enjoy the music, and I will be back with you chatting real soon. So here's my project all done. I'm happy with the way the octopus came out. I think he fits great to the mechanical background and complements the color. I also like the round frame for him. It reminds me a bit of a porthole, so very fitting. And it also helped me to arrange the tentacles in an interesting way. I like that they are dimensional. Some of them stick up, some of them peek over the edge a bit. Like always, and as you saw throughout my process, I used lots of tiny bits to decorate and detail this little fellow. Now the background, which I had made a while ago, is still functional, meaning that some of the elements move, like these gears and a couple of rollers. And I'm glad that I was able to reuse it. I enjoyed painting his eyes with all the little details. It took me a while to get them right, but I believe they add another interest to the focal point. So on to some photos so you can see some close-ups. And I hope that you enjoyed your time with me today. As the year is coming to an end, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for enjoying my channel, for liking my art, and leaving me great comments and feedback. I'm planning to be back next year, and I hope you will continue visiting with me here on my channel. Now, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you have noticed those little hands that often help me in my process. That's of course my little granddaughter. She lives upstairs together with her brother and her parents, and she loves to come down and hang out with me. Her name is Evie, and she is 4 years old.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year.